Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about one new topic, that is manual testing. Manual testing is a type of testing in which we do not use any tools to perform the testing. In this testing, testers make test cases for the codes to test the software and give the final report about that software. Manual testing is time consuming testing because humans do not do it and there is a chance of human errors. Manual testing is conducted to discover bugs in the developed software application. The tester checks all the essential features of the application. The tester executes test cases and generates test reports without any help from the automation tools. It is conducted by the experienced tester to accomplish the testing process. When to perform manual testing? When there are different functionalities, different user interfaces, website behavior, application behavior, user acceptance, and user experience, there manual testing works. What are the benefits of manual testing? Easy hiring. In manual testing, anyone can test, so it helps in easy hiring. Fast feedback. Manual testing helps to provide fast and accurate feedback. Versatile. Manual test cases can be applied to many test cases. Flexible. It is very flexible as it adapts easily to changes in the user interface. It is less expensive as one does not need to spend a budget on automation tools and its processes. What are the limitations of manual testing? Not all the defects detected. There is no assurance that there will be 100% test coverage. As a result, some of the defects may not be detected. Higher expertise. Although manual testing can be done by anyone, in some complex test cases, the high expertise is required. Lot of time. Manual testing times extensive activity. It requires a lot of time to manually develop test cases so that all the functionalities are covered and tested. Cannot be recorded. In the manual testing, the processes cannot be recorded, so it is not possible to reuse the manual test cases. Less reliable. It is less reliable as it is conducted by the humans and all the test cases are designed by the humans, so there are some chances for human error. If you like the content of the video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.